Cleaning your tires and rims is a quick and easy way to keep your car looking great. With just a few steps and the right products, you will have your wheels shining in no time. First, rinse your wheels and rims thoroughly, using a pressure washer to remove loose dirt and debris. Next, take P&S Brake Buster. This all-in-one cleaner and degreaser are safe on all wheel finishes and effectively break down brake dust without damaging surfaces. Spray it directly onto the tires and rims, making sure to cover all areas where brake dust and grime have built up. Then, take Auto Fanatic Professional Foaming Wheel Cleaner. This high-foaming formula clings to surfaces, lifting away heavy brake dust and road grime with ease. Mix it with water in a foam sprayer according to the recommended dilution ratio. Spray the mixture generously over the entire tire and rim surface. Then use a stiff brush to scrub the tires thoroughly, removing any remaining dirt and old tire shine. Then, use a softer brush to clean the rims, getting into all the spokes and tight areas. Give everything a final rub down with a microfiber mitt to lift off any leftover residue. Rinse everything off completely with the pressure washer to reveal clean, refreshed tires and rims. For added protection and shine, apply CarPro Hydro 2 hydrophobic silica sealant to the wheels and tires. It creates a durable water-repellent layer that helps keep them cleaner for longer. After applying the sealant, rinse with the pressure washer to activate and check its water-repellent properties. By following this method, you will easily achieve spotless, protected, and great-looking tires and rims. Baking soda is a natural cleaner that helps break down dirt, grime, and brake dust on tires and rims. Take a spray bottle and add 1 cup of baking soda. Next, fill the spray bottle with vinegar. Once the solution is ready, spray it generously onto the tires and rims, ensuring you cover all areas with buildup. After that, use a microfiber rag to scrub the surfaces thoroughly, making sure to reach into the spokes and the rubber sidewalls of the tires. Finally, rinse everything thoroughly with a pressure washer to wash away the entire residue. This simple cleaning method is a great way to keep your tires and rims looking fresh, shiny, and free from built-up. Dawn dish soap is a powerful degreaser that cuts through tough grime, making it perfect for cleaning tires and rims. Combine Dawn dish soap with water in a bucket. Start by rinsing the tires and rims thoroughly using a pressure washer. Once rinsed, apply the soapy solution generously to the tires and rims using a spray bottle. Begin by scrubbing the tires with a brush to remove dirt, old tire shine, and grime. Then, use a wheel brush to scrub the rims, getting into all the corners and spokes. After scrubbing, rinse everything again with the pressure washer to remove the loosened dirt and soap. Finally, give the tires and rims a final wipe down with a clean microfiber cloth to dry and bring out the shine. By following these simple steps, your tires and rims will stay clean and looking good.